beautiful soul. Oh, look at this incredible day that you have been given, and put a big smile on your face and take those arms and wrap them around yourself and give yourself a hug. Yes, give yourself a squeeze and a big smile. Here we go. I am truly blessed to have money. With all of my heart, thank you for the people entering my life. I am truly blessed to have clothes because it keeps my body covered. Take a beautiful deep breath in and sigh it out. Oh, we're going to do that again, and when you sigh out, I want you to have a smile on your face. I am so happy and grateful for my past because it has made me strong. I am truly grateful for having food in my tummy. Oh, with all of my heart, thank you for the air that I breathe. I am truly happy and grateful for nature. Oh man, you are just such a gift, and you are such a light in this world. I hope that you have the most incredible day, and when you feel that you need to or want to, you can always come back to this today. So give yourself another big hug. Hugs are so good. They are so good for us. They heal us. So give yourself another big squeeze. Okay, have the best day. Bye.